You should attend Wi-Fi Design Day because it is going to be guaranteed the best day of the year, and I'm not biased at all. There's three main reasons why we want to put on these events. Number one, education.
Wi-Fi Design Day helps me in my role because I get to come and learn about the latest technologies and features.
It gives me new ideas and gives me up-to-date information about the new trends in Wi-Fi.
How it can help us work a lot better.
But also gives me some sort of confirmation that some of the things I'm actually doing is right.
We bring in the best speakers from all around the world. They come to this event to share their knowledge. Number two, networking. It's such a great community event.
Wi-Fi is becoming a must-have.
There's just more and more devices joining, needing to be connected.
Coming to the Wi-Fi Design Day allows people to learn about what's happening, learn about new technologies, and I think it's incredibly important that we as a community, we get together as vendors, as customers, as partners.
So identify solutions. It's going to elevate everybody's productivity worldwide.
Anyone working with Wi-Fi should come to Wi-Fi Design Day. There's so much that you can learn in a single day.
It helps you grow your network.
Get to talk to the experts more than we would do normally.
The final one, most important for me, is having fun.
I describe Wi-Fi Design Day in 3 words as community, educational and fun.